Hello everyone! Welcome back to my channel! So today, this will be my first Balikbayan Box packing. So I will show you kung paano yung ginagawa nila. Actually, nanood din ako ng mga videos on how they pack their Balikbayan Box. So this is my first one na isasend ko sa Pilipinas. Hopefully dumating bago Christmas. Hopefully. So through LBC. So let's go and let's pack! So, this is my Balikbayan box. It's large. Pinili ko tong large na size. Buti nga merong LBC dito. So, binaliktad ko na siya. I-assemble muna natin. So, I heard they say it's best to use a duct tape. Overall, pwede ko kasi lagyan mo siya. Hindi po mabigat. And then, of course, we're gonna secure it with a duct tape. Sa mga sides, lalo na. Then, we're gonna cover it again with a clear tape. So, let's begin! So, tinexan ko si Papa sa Philippines. Tinanong ko kung saan ko pwedeng ibigay yung address since pag sa bahay kasi, lagi silang nasa work or nasa school. So, maybe I suggest you send it in a place na either a workplace. If wala namang lumalabas sa bahay, then mas safer pa rin sa bahay. But for me, I'm gonna send it through my papa's office just to make sure na they will receive it. Lalo na everyday open naman sila. So, we're gonna write the address now. So, ayan. After may lagay yung address, my address and papa's address na pagsasadan ko sa Philippines, of course, don't forget the complete address and the postcode. And of course, put some details on, like phone number. Anyway, those are all the basic things to know. So we're gonna go and pack it properly before we fill up our Balikbayan box. Let's go! Okay, so now we're gonna start dito sa bottom part. Okay. So make sure it's enclosed. Then we're gonna use this one first. So using this one, clear tape, we're gonna cover this side muna to secure it, lalo na tong bottom part before filling it up. So let's go. Okay, so now we're done with the bottom. So, clear tape muna siya. Then, we're gonna secure the sides. Itong mga side na to, as you can see, with the duct tape. Alright, so let's do this one. So, this one's for the sides only and for this part. Let's go! So, ayan guys. So, importante talaga tong bottom, lalo na especially when it comes to movement. Pagka yung tipong kung saan-saan na inuusog, at least protected pa rin dito. Tsaka iwas na rin sa mga, alam mo nyo na, nagbubutas-butas dyan. So, we'll cover it again with the clear tape para hindi makapasok ang tubig. So, security lang din talaga. So, let's do it. Come on! So that's it. It's all covered with this one. Now, we're gonna move to the sides naman. So we have to make sure na may duct tape din to mga sides especially. No need for this one, just a clear tape. So we can do it now habang wala pang laman. Then, magkakarga na tayo later. Let's go with the side. So now, we're gonna put duct tapes on these sides first. Sa mga side, make sure so it will be secured. Then, we're gonna put a clear tape again later on. Okay. So, ayan, since all the sides are covered with a duct tape, we're gonna cover it again with a clear tape. So, buong side na to, all of those sides. Alright, so let's do it. So, ayan na. para maiwasan lang din na kahit, alam niyo naman sa atin, sa Pilipinas, laging binabaha or nababasa man, at least safe pa rin siya. Kahit makapal tong box, syempre huwag tayong pakasigurado. Okay, so, are you ready? We're gonna fill this up now. Then, after that, same pa rin procedure sa pag-close. Ay, nakaka-excite naman. So, ready to pack! Hello mga kabayan! So, ngayon, tapos na nating mag-pack. Kargahan lahat ng mga kung ano-ano na dyan for our family and hopefully makarating for Christmas. So, this is my first Balikbayan box. So, ngayon na napunan natin yung box. It's time to close it up. So, same process din yun tulad ng pagsisil natin sa baba ng box. So, I'll show you guys, okay? So, yan. Punong-puno ng ating LBC box. Hindi ito ni-sponsor, ha? So, we're gonna seal it here. Gamitin pa rin natin ito. Duct tape. And then, after that, gagamitan natin ng ganito on the top of it. Para ma-seal siya. Kahit mabasa, hindi siya basta-basta. So, this is the most important part as well na i-seal itong upper part. Then, it's ready for pickup. My first Balikbayan box. So, seal na natin. At yan na nga mga kabayan. Tapos na sa wakas. So, nabalot ko na. And everything. So, ready na for pickup. So, antayin na lang natin for pickup. Ito ang ating Balikbayan box. Naka-proud naman. My first Balikbayan box. So, make sure it's all sealed. Sides, dyan, sa sides, and sa ilalim. So, yun yung mga important, guys. Hopefully, may mga natutunan din tayo sa vlog ko na ito. Lalo na sa mga OFW na katulad ko na planong mag-send ng OFW box, ng Balikbayan box. It's time to give back. Kahit mga small things lang, ma-appreciate nila yan for sure. Aside sa, syempre, alam ko, nagbibigay din tayo ng cash. Paminsan-minsan, kahit once a year lang, mag-send din tayo ng Balikbayan box. Okay ba, mga kabayan? So, don't forget to click like and subscribe to my channel. I'll see you guys for my next vlog. Bye!